I don't want to be called a denier, so, it scares me. It's a terrible thing to be called. Anyway, Administrator Pruitt, I know you don't want to be called that either.
He doesn't want to be called a denier. Or he kind of acts like that's like a really bad thing, like, oh, I don't want to be labeled a denier. And I think that there's like an implication within what he's saying that that's like some sort of like big like black marker or social stigma, or maybe even worse than a social stigma. There's a lot of kind of either implicit or explicit references to like blacklisting and McCarthyism and that sort of stuff. But the point is that calling somebody a denier, whether the merits of that in terms of accuracy, we're not really interested in saying like you're a denier. We're interested in the phenomenon of denial and like how to understand that, ultimately how to cut through that, how to reach people, persuade people.
There's a study by Diethelm and McKee that looked at all these different movements that deny mainstream science, and they point out that all these different movements have 5 characteristics in common: fake experts, logical fallacies, impossible expectations, cherry picking, and conspiracy theories. We summarise it with the acronym FLICK, makes it easier to remember. I think it's really important that we look at this phenomenon of denial with a bit of precision. It's not about labelling people as a denier as an insult. It's about understanding the process of denial, the behaviour, and you can't really understand denial unless you really, I guess, understand the psychology of it, why people deny and how they deny.